guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So the Jeep started making some noise. I'm either thinking it's a wheel bearing or the drive shaft. Let me drive the car so I can show you, but first we're gonna start with the drive shaft. But if it's a wheel bearing, I will take it to my friend because I honestly don't want to deal with it. And yeah, let's go check it out. And the drive shaft, they're honestly super easy to remove, so that's why I'm gonna start with that. And of course, when I want to show you guys, it doesn't make the noise. Awesome. So I'm gonna drive around until it does it, but let me show you this clean Manchi that's over here. Well, they have a bunch of, oh, it's not here. I think it's their daily. They have a bunch of XJs. Damn, that sucks. Can you hear that whining noise? It sounds so funny. So I'm thinking it's either the wheel bearing, the axle shaft, or the front drive shaft. So the easiest thing to check right now would be the front drive shaft, take it out, and see if it does anything. All right, so we're gonna take off the drive shaft first because, I mean, that's the easiest thing for me to do to test where the noise is coming from. This is just an 8mm right here, easy to take out. One thing to notice that I just noticed, look at the boot, it's like coming off. So I wonder if it's overstretched or something. I'm not sure, but let's see. We're gonna take off all the bolts. These are 8mm, and then take off the transfer case side as well. And on these, you have to be careful when you do take it out because the caps do like to come off and then you'll need to replace the whole thing. So just be careful. Once it's off, like tape them around or zip tie or something. All right, so the next thing I'm taking off is the transfer case side. On this one, I have different bolts. When I got the piece here, it didn't come with bolts, so I had to go get some at the parts store. So it's not gonna be what you have, but mine are the size 13. There's 4 of them. So all in all, 8 bolts, 4 here, 4 up there. And it should come out pretty easy. You might need to pry it off a little bit on one of the ends, but that's pretty much it. And I suggest using a 1/4 inch ratchet. That would actually fits in here and you're able to take them off. Well, as you guys saw there, it fell off already. Pretty simple, pretty quick. So let me take off the front and we should be able to just slide them out. Those caps are just gonna want to fall off, so be careful with them. So this is the front side, and this is what you gotta be careful of. They do just want to come out, so be careful with that. These actually feel solid. Like, I don't know if this is what was making my noise, but it could be. So we're gonna take it off, and let's hope that that is the noise. So this is what I recommend doing with the end. Take some electrical tape. That should hold it. That way these caps don't fall off. So the next step is to listen for the noise, see if it's still there. Right away I hear it. Right away I hear it. So it's not the drive shaft. It's going to be wheel bearing or the axle, the axle shaft. So great. So my guess is that thing is what's making the noise because it does have a leak right there where all the oil comes out. So that's gonna be my next guess, either that or the wheel bearings. I'll probably do both just to be safe and I won't have to worry about it. This side's that too. This side's even worse. So yeah, we'll change those out, both sides, and hopefully that'll fix it. All right guys, so I know I haven't really been posting, but we've been working on other things this week. We finally got the sticker cutter working. Check this one out. So more to come for sure. I got other things planned out as well, and I got some good news for the wheels. It'll come soon in another video, but awesome news. New wheels coming in, new tires coming in, and you guys just have to wait for that. But for now, like I said, we're working on other things. Chris over here was helping me. So we got the sticker cutter working and a couple other things going on. So just wait patiently and you'll get the good news soon. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.